Hello, it's time again for English at University, the series that teaches some English phrases to help you through your first year of study abroad. Mary's been set some work to write an assignment about business. Always studious and keen to do well, she's getting on with it in the peace and quiet of the library.
So, good business needs a good plan.
Oh, hi Mary. Beavering away.
Hello, Daniel. Well, we have got an assignment to write.
Yeah, but we've still got 3 days, and I work best when the pressure's on. Blimey, your laptop's a bit ancient, isn't it?
It's a new one, actually, and it does me just fine. Look at what I've done so far. Oh no, it's frozen. If I push the arrow here, nothing moves. Oh dear, and I haven't saved it yet.
Prove my point, eh? I've got one of those MacPad Fabs. Brilliant. Fast processor, huge memory, almost does the assignment for you. Anyway, look, what you've got to do is just reboot. Press this button here, wait a few seconds, and...
Nothing. Everything's disappeared. Daniel, what have you done?
What has he done indeed, idiot? You've been so diligent, you've worked hard to get this assignment done. I think you're going to need some help to get it back.
I know, but I know nothing about technology. What questions should I ask?
Don't panic. You need to find someone who knows a bit about technology and say, I seem to have lost my work. What can I do? Or, do you think you could restore my work, please? Or say, I turned my computer off and didn't back up my work. Is there anything you can do? Even if it was Daniel's fault. Go and see if you can get some help.
Okay, I will. Oh, look, there's that technology student over there. I'll ask him.
Oh, I don't think he's going to know what to do.
Excuse me, do you remember me from the study skills session?
Oh, yes, I do. I never forget anyone who uses an Acorn Fastbook 5.4 laptop.
Yes, good. Well, I've got a problem. Daniel has turned off my laptop and I seem to have lost my work. What can I do?
I was just trying to reboot it.
Well, that's a silly thing to do. Let me have a look.
Thanks. Do you think you can restore my work?
Did you back up your work?
Well, no, not before I mean, Daniel switched it off. Is there anything you can do?
Oh, dear. Well, if I do this... there, yeah, bingo. Luckily, it was saved on the laptop memory. An impressive 24 gigabytes of RAM, in fact. I'd advise you to back it up onto this memory stick.
It's all right, mate. She can use mine.
Thanks so much,
Malcolm, you're welcome. How about having a drink tonight?
Sorry, I can't. I've got to study.
Well done, Malcolm, and well done, Mary, for asking for help. You've got yourself out of a tricky situation by asking these questions. I seem to have lost my work. What can I do? Do you think you can restore my work, please? Is there anything you can do? You can practice these phrases, pick up a few more, plus learn some top tips for studying in the UK on our website at bbclearningenglish.com. So, 2 days later, and Mary has been working in earnest to complete her assignment, and now she's finished, it looks like somebody else needs some help now.
Mary, my laptop's broken, and I haven't even started my assignment.
Your MacPad Fab?
Yeah, don't know what's happened, but it won't turn on. I couldn't borrow yours, could I? And that memory stick that I lent you.
Okay, just to help a friend. But look after it, and remember to back up your work.
Yeah, of course. Why wouldn't I? You sure you won't need it tonight?
No, sure, go ahead. I'm going for a drink with Malcolm tonight.
Oh.
إن أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة.